Hello, I'm here today with you to show you a couple of homemade traveler's notebooks, and these are in holiday planner style. The first one here is a kind of a champagne gold glitter. On the side I have a felt snowman dangle. I have a sequin bow paper clip. I have a felt candy cane paper clip. I have a bow paper clip and a snowball puffball paper clip on the front. I have some red metallic elastic from Hobby Lobby, and I have a burgundy red poinsettia from Michaels. On the inside I have lined it with it's a Lemon Craft Christmas paper collection, and I have a Target, yeah, you know what I mean, with 3 tags that I've stickled. My first booklet has a glitter snowflake from A.C. Moore. I have some homemade planner stickers that fit the weekly calendar. I have another paper clip, a gold foil doily. The next booklet here is the holiday planner, and there's a December bucket list. There's a countdown to Christmas, gift ideas, New Year's resolutions, and it's in the font, I don't even remember. Another countdown, and the paper clip here. And I have a shaker pocket. And then I have a folder, and inside of there I have some stickers. I have some laminated window clings. Some green festive note paper. Sorry about that. And in here I have some stickers and gems. A pen loop and a red crystal pen. In this pocket I have some glitter alphabet stickers. I have a foam snowflake. And I have a booklet of grocery lists for the holidays. And I made a dashboard. Oh, wrong side. This is laminated vellum. I printed out the paper, one of the papers on vellum. I have a little sequin mix and another paper clip. I have some pom-pom trim and a green gel pen with a green gem and some rhinestone alphabets for her to use in her book. Thank you for watching, and I have one more book. This one here is another holiday planner. It's in a light purple glitter. I have a big red, or a big white tassel, and the same kind of paper clips as before. Same pen. I'm not going to waste a lot of time going over the same thing. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. There's some cut-aparts. Here's some more planner stickers I made using the paper line. And just a few different elements, mostly the same. Here's the dashboard. And the same things. Thanks for watching. I hope these are enjoyed and used. As again, I can always improve my videos, but thanks for taking the time. Be kind. Have a great holiday.